Classes on GameClass is your area to host completely private classrooms for just you in your classroom, just you and your students, just you and your child, just you and any of the kids that you're tutoring. By default, we allow all users to create one GameClass Classroom for free on a base account. And on that account, you can have up to 10 students on your roster. After that, Classes in Classrooms is a paid upgrade feature. It's something that you need to subscribe to the Teaching Toolkit plan to have full unlimited access, to have as many classrooms as you want, and also max roster sizes. Creating a classroom is incredibly easy. You simply click on this big purple button that says Create a Classroom. This should not take you more than 30 to 90 seconds. You can name the classroom, you can select a grade level, you can even select a subject, and give a brief description. Once the classroom is created, your classroom will have a unique class code. This code is how students can quickly join your classroom. Students can join your classroom directly off of the GameClass website. It's super easy. All they have to do is type in gameclass.ai or gameclass.net. Go to our homepage. At the very top in the header, hit Join Class. All they need to do is enter the code for your classroom. When they enter it, they'll go directly into GameClass without an account, meaning we don't even know they exist. They don't need to put any personal information. No PII is necessary. They'll be able to view and watch anything you assign, but for them to do student projects from home, they will need to create an account. And for those, we do offer student accounts. Once they're in your classroom, they'll see this. They'll see these different tabs. So it's very easy for students to quickly go and check to see if you have any extra credit assignments, to see if you have any homework assignments, see if you've listed anything as a quiz. Now, the class tab is your classroom feed. This is how you communicate with your private classroom of students. At any time, you can add a post, and you can title it, you can talk to your students, and you can post to your students. Roster is going to show you anyone in your classroom. Now, if a student takes your classroom code and they have a GameClass account, they're going to show up in here. If they are accessing your classroom with a code without creating an account, you won't see them in here because they don't exist. But they'll still be able to view anything in your classroom feed. And again, they'll be able to watch lessons. Now, if you want to invite students into your classroom, you can hit this button. You can, again, copy the code again or invite them via email. You can enter the email of any student, or you can even upload using a CSV or Excel sheet, multiple emails at once to make it easy. Content is the location of storage for anything that you've added into your classroom. From this section, and this means anything you've created or anything that was public that you just loved and wanted your students to enjoy, if you added it to your classroom, it's going to be stored in here forever. Once it's in your content area of your classroom, simply go to the three dots, click on Assign to Class, and then quickly fill out the appropriate information. Type, for example, lets you post it to the class feed as something specific, like extra credit or homework. And then hit Post. Once you hit Post, it's going to show up at the very top of your classroom feed. Now, if you ever want to delete anything from content of your classroom, simply click on the three dots and remove it from the classroom. This is not going to delete it off GameClass, it's only going to remove it from your classroom.